What's happening, everyone? We're back today with another video. Today we're going to be showing you how to program an instrument cluster into a MK6 ST150. It can be used or new, it doesn't really matter. Preferably this video will be for use because I'm not too sure on how you would input the mileage, because it doesn't really give you the option on the software that I'll be using. You'll probably need to use like an OBD prog or something like that to actually correct the mileage, which is what I'm going to have to be doing in the near future. But yeah, I've already programmed my one, but I'm going to show you how you do it because it was requested by I think it was Jack Smith. But yeah, quick like sort of things that you'll need is obviously an Elm 327 OBD connector to a USB on your actual laptop, and obviously Forscan. You'll just have to sign up to the forums, they'll accept you, and then you just download the software. You will need the one with the CAN bus switch. You can get the automatic switching one or the manual one like I've got here. I'll leave all of the links in the description. But yeah, let's plug this in and then we'll show you exactly what you need to do. Okay, so once your car's all plugged in to the laptop and all that, you want to open Forscan up, and basically you want to just go down to this little item down here, make sure the ignition is on and stuff like that, and it'll probably ask you about your CAN switch if you have like the manual one like I do. If it doesn't connect to the car, then you just retry the process with the CAN switch in the other like the opposite position to what you had it on. Mine's obviously just going to go through the whole car and read everything. Just got to wait for it before it can do anything. It'll probably ask if you actually have a CAN switch attached to your OBD connector as well. Yes, it does. Okay, just click no. Right, so I'm just going to quickly clear a DCT or DTC. Yes, because okay, so what you'll need to do is you'll need to go into this column here, configuration and programming, click on the instrument cluster module configuration as built format, click this little icon down here, okay again. Right, it'll come up with this little page here. So what we need to do now is actually go on to Motorcraft service as built. My VIN will come up straight away because I've already done this. So you just got to type your VIN in. Obviously do your security, it doesn't matter about case sensitive or whatever. Click submit. Okay, and then you can either look at what's going on here, which is pointless, or you could just click download the file. Okay, and then what you need to do, go back into that way. You want to load it. So click on load all. I'll go back into downloads to show you. Right, as you can see, I've done this before, but we'll click this one, operation completed. Okay, and then you want to click write all. And once it's written, turn the ignition off, switch it back on. Okay, so that is done. Done this, you want to click stop, and then we'll go, just getting ahead of myself, service functions, PATS programming. Okay, so what we want to do is click OK, no. Right, so we want module initialization. Okay, so Forscan can generate a code for you, which is fine, you can do that, which I'll do now. Okay, so turn the ignition off. Okay. so please wait 15 seconds. Okay, so now it's complete, and that should be that. Because as you can see here, if we go back onto it, module initialization, PCM, HEC, which is the instrument cluster, and the fuel injection pump. So what you probably found during that, when you switch, like, you've probably found that you had a short ignition fuel pump prime, and it will cut off. And then obviously once you do the initialization, it will then prime normally.
Okay, so obviously after the program procedure, just make sure it's in neutral. Car will start, no dramas, as it should. Obviously the only issue is the actual mileage correction itself, but I will be trying to get an OBD prog or something like that to actually correct the mileage, obviously, because questions will start getting asked when your MOTs come around, obviously in England. So yeah, we'll need to get that sorted soon. It's just like, I think it's £250 for an OBD prog. So I mean, I could buy one, but you know what it's like with mods and stuff like that. But yeah, we'll get it sorted, and I'll make a video on that once I've got the OBD prog. But any questions on this video, please feel free to ask. No dramas at all. But I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching.